You can easily see, I mean, this side of the street is just totally dipped. Now our driveway here, I mean, it inclines for about 15 feet or so, and then if it gets over that hump, it's boom, it's right into the garage. I mean, and it's instant. This took about 2 minutes today. I mean, the ground's been saturated, of course, but I mean, a really heavy rain, and it's boom, it's right down here. Now if you look over here, you're gonna see the sewer drain, it's just totally uneven. Like, the water's not coming down here. The whole hill is sloped up to about from here. It slopes, and this whole thing just floods with water very quickly. This drain cannot take it. It bubbles up, repeatedly bubbles up. This drain cannot take the water. The water easily overfills it, and it goes right down into the garage.